Who's the unlucky bell end that's going to get stuck behind me then? I mean, it's got some speed to it. It is shaking up a storm. Right, let's pull over here, let people past, make sure that the number plate's not about to fall off. I don't know what the arm gesture for indicating is. Do I wave it up and down? Do I... what? I mean, I got no brake light or shit. I just put it down into the bottom gear and then pushed it up half a click and then he stalled. Because that was not neutral. Just about that speed, I don't know what that is, that's probably around 30 miles an hour. You start to get some bum shakeage, you start to get the free massage at around that speed. They fucking loved that, didn't they? They just fucking loved that. Oh, I don't know if the camera would have seen them because they're on the other side, but they were fucking, they wet their knickers over this bad boy. Oh shit, that's a fat off wind turbine. That's sick. At uni I'm doing renewable energy, so you know, that kind of stuff actually interests me quite a lot. What a fucking bell end, I'm on a 60 road on this. Good job it's such fucking amazing weather, this couldn't have been better. I mean, it's tiny, look at my shadow, I fucking dwarfed it. Oh my god. What an absolute joke though. How is this legal? Oh shit, there's a horse. The horses are not going to like this, eh? Popping a wheelie right now would not be a good idea, let's face it. I got a new helmet as well, actually. I'm scared these people can hear me. I look like a right bell end talking to myself. But I got a new helmet, but I can't wear it yet because, well, I can wear it, but I can't use it for recording yet because it's not got the GoPro mount on it. I'm waiting for something called a Pro Shot, which, you know, is basically the dog's bollocks at helmet mounts. So that's going to be awesome once I get that sorted. But until then, I'll use this for recording. I kind of want to go in here. See what's in here. I've got road tyres on at the minute though, so... On the way up here I saw this and I said I wanted to go up it. I've got a fucking rip in my jean pocket. Makes me very angry. It's a pretty sweet little spot. I don't think over there there's going to be anything useful. Oh, I got a fucking pit bike on the road. Oh. The road tyres are not a fan. Oh no, that's neutral, not first. Oh. Thought I might not make it out of that one. I don't know what will be down there. We could have a look. Let's see if I can do a foot down turnaround or whatever they call it nowadays. Whoa! We had a little bit of a donut going. I think I need to turn the handlebars more. How sick is this? Oh my god, I advise everyone to look into getting one of these bad boys. This has got to be some of the most fun I've had on a motorbike. Imagine taking this to fucking London. Oh mate, I'd be scoring pussy. Oh baby, did I just find the sweet spot? How loose is this? Oh, it's pretty solid. I don't know if I'll make it up alive though. Cheers. She was definitely surprised to see a number plate on the back. Oh, there's a fuck ton of flies. What the fuck is this? This can't be that far away from where I want to be, I don't think. So it's like vaguely in the wrong direction, actually. It's completely in the wrong direction. I should probably turn around. Or should I? Foot down, turn around. Nah, fuck that one up, bad boy. Once I got the off-road tyres on, it'll be a million times better. Should we try and get up on this? I've not got high hopes at all. My little 12-inch wheels are not ready for this. Oh my god, we made it! How the fuck did we just make that? I was entirely expecting to completely dick that one. I don't know how the fuck I'm supposing to get down. Good job this pit bike's got a fucking belly pan, or whatever they call it, to protect the engine from dickheads like me ruining it. Oh, first gear's not at the bottom, Ryan. Ooh. The wheel's spinning too much. I would have popped a sick wheelie just then, trust me. Trust me. I feel well hard. Should we wait for this? We'll wait for these guys to go. We don't want to piss them off by restricting them to about 5 miles an hour. On the way here, I was riding for about a mile, possibly more, on about full choke. And I'll tell you what, the bike was having absolutely zero of it. Oh, there's some fucking scooters around here. There's a ride-on fucking lawnmower. Oh, I don't think I can get any air there. That bad boy. Mate, these are going for good money. Oh shit, there's someone in the there's someone in the shed. Let's run.
Ta-da.